Welcome to the channel. I've had some long cracks in our back patio concrete slab for quite a while now. I've decided it's time to fill them and stop them from getting worse. I don't want the ground under it to totally cave in and cause the slab to get even worse. Instead of making a how-to video, I'm just showing you a quick time-lapse of the work I did. There's a really good how-to video in this video's description. That's what I used to learn how to do this. This project took me about 2 hours total, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. Assuming you already have an angle grinder or can rent one, this is an inexpensive project you can easily do yourself. I'll leave info on the materials I used in the video description. Thanks for watching. Please leave comments or questions in the comments area, and please consider subscribing. Thanks for your support of the channel, and until the next video, y'all take care and have a good one.